In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to work with text styles in Adobe Premiere Pro. In last lesson, we have seen how to use all those text properties as well as appearance values in Adobe Premiere Pro. Here we are going to see how to use styles. Let me show you with few examples. I'm going to use one style sequence here. I was created the name styles for the sequence, and here I'm going to use one video. You can see I have two videos here, and I'm going to use this video. Just drag and drop here, and I choose keep existing setting. You can see how we have that bird on the seashore. Now I just want to add some text here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose my vertical type tool, and here I'm going to add a title. I just click there, and I'm going to add the title. So I was given the name, which is title of the topic, and I'm going to change the text color into white. You can see that. Now I choose this selection tool. I'm going to enlarge the size of the title. That's it. And I'm going to reduce a little bit. That's fine. After that, I come to this place. So here I'm going to add some paragraph text. Since I'm going to add some paragraph text, I was using the same type tool, but I'm going to just click and drag. So I was created this area, this space, and now I want to reduce the font size into 25. So I can accompany more font here. Now I'm going to open a notepad file. There I have my content. You can able to find that on your the project work folder. So I was having that folder here. Now I just have some dummy content here from Lorem Ipsum. I just copy this, and here I'm going to paste inside my paragraph. You can see we have only limited amount of content. I can able to scale the text if I want, if I need more readability. So I choose this, and here I'm going to give a more value, which is 35. Still I have some space. Yes, I'm going to give one more paste value. So I was added there. Now if I want to add, I can also add some text here. So I'm going to use my type tool again. I'm going to add some special text content here. So I just paste, and I'm going to delete few text, and I just want to put that in a quote. So I was put that. Now I select all those text, and I'm going to increase the font size into 60, and you can see how we have the font. I'm going to have some adjustments. I'm going to reduce some text content, those dummy text content, and I just want to make those double quotes into large. So I was selected that alone, and I'm going to make them into 80 or 150. Like that has so much amount of distance from the text. Okay, no problem for me. And here I'm going to choose that content. I'm going to choose that style, and I'm going to choose 150. Okay, so this is how we have too much amount of space. I don't want that much amount. I'm going to have that into 80. Yeah, that's fine. I'm going to have that into 80, and I'm going to move that little bit below. I don't want to touch that board. So here we have three different text format. We have the title, and we have some unique information about the board maybe. Still I'm going to reduce some more dummy text content, and I just reduce the height of the text. And finally after that I have some paragraphic text related to the particular board. Now I have this text here. After this content I'm going to have one more board. So I just drag and drop that board, which is the eagle, and for that board also I'm going to give the detailed information like what we have here. So I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to paste here also. I'm going to put that alignment in a text different way. So I just copy that, all those things, and here I'm going to paste that. Okay, not on the same layer, and I'm going to do that in a different layer, and I'm going to place that here. So here we have some different text. Here I was copy and pasted there. I have some different text. I don't have the same, text alignment there. Now I just want to add the text style. So I come to this place. You can see we have the title here. First I'm going to create different style for the title. So to create different title, first you have to create the particular appearance for the title. So what I can use, here I have the dark background and here I have the bright background. So I'm going to use some color that related to the orange, and this will be visible on the dark area. Now I want to choose the particular font type. I'm going to choose a bold font, and after that I'm going to choose the shadow. So I just enable the shadow and I set the values there. I was setting that shadow color into black. I reduce the opacity value. You can see that. So in this way I can able to create all those styles what I was required for this particular title text. Now after created the one particular style of the title, now what I'm going to do is I come to this place which is styles in my essential graphics edit tab. In the styles I click this arrow and I choose this option which is create style. So when I choose create style, it asks me to give the name. I'm going to give the name title style. So I'm going to use the same title style for multiple places. Now I choose OK, and after that I come to this area. Here we have the old text. I choose that text also, and in styles I'm going to choose the option which is title style. So when I choose the title style, I can able to see I got that update here with all those shadows. So if you want to create a style, first you have to choose the particular that destination text, and you have to do the all those styles what you are requiring, the font face, font style, alignment, the colors, all those things. Finally you are going to choose this arrow and you are going to choose this button which is create style. So this time you are going to give the name for the particular style that was saved here, and you can use that style for any text. Remember, for any text, for example I choose this text and I choose this option which is title style. You can see that I got the same style there in this paragraph. So I can use that particular style here as well as here. So now I just load the same style again. You can see I have all those values, and I'm going to do the change here. I'm going to change that into blue, that title style, and I choose this. When I choose that and update that, you can see here we have the change, but here we don't. So when I choose that again, I'm going to choose none. I'm going to choose the title style. Still you can able to see we have that old style only. So after changing all those that particular text style, now what I'm doing is I come to this place and I choose create new style, and I'm going to give a name which is title and style. Now I choose OK. So we got one more thing which is title style here. So this is the old one. You can see that when I click there I got that, and this is a new one. So we can able to duplicate that kind of styles. See here I'm going to choose that, and I'm going to choose that option which is the second one. So you can able to set how you want those styles. In the same way I can able to add the title as well as the paragraph styles also. Like I was choosing this paragraph, and here I have the Arial text with 35 font size. I'm going to have a small shadow, so I just enable the shadow. You can see I have better readability now. And now I want to save this particular style. I'm going to choose this option none, and I'm going to choose create style, and here I'm going to give a name which is paragraph text. So I was having those all color, text alignment, everything that was saved here. Now I come to this area and I select this text, and I'm going to choose the option which is paragraph text. So when I choose paragraph text, I got this style only there, and here also I come to this place, I choose this text, and I'm going to choose the option which is paragraph text. So when I choose the paragraph text, I got that style there. When I choose title style, the second one I got the blue, and the first one I got that particular orange color. So based on your need, you can set how you want your style, and this is how we are using styles in Adobe Premiere Pro. First you have to set that setting, and after that we are going to apply that particular style to the board or whatever you have that time. I'm going to play that from the beginning. So this is how we have the output with the styles. I just forward, and you can see that. So these are the options, the styles what we have for text and characters in Adobe Premiere Pro. You can load those styles at any number of time. So we can able to save a lot of time in Adobe Premiere Pro typography work. You will also get the exact font, color, style, size, all those attributes what you require for another paragraph. That is the major advantage of those styles what we have in this Adobe Premiere Pro.